But before I go on, I wanted to talk about Tuve's directives, his standing orders that he had for the members of Section T for APL. And in fact, I have a copy of these. There's 30 of them over there on the table. You can take a copy if you want. Additionally, if you send me an email, I will send you this slide. I'm not going to read all of these, but I'm going to read a couple of them. I like the first one. I don't want any fool in this laboratory to save money. I only want him to save time. I also like number 10. Our moral responsibility goes all the way to the final battle use of this unit. Its failure, therefore, is our failure, regardless of who is technically responsible for the cause of failure. It is our job to achieve the end result. I also like the last one. Shoot at an 80% job. How many folks have heard the 80% solution? That's where it comes from. Shoot at an 80% job. We can't afford perfection. Don't try for an A. In a war, D is necessary enough, but an F is fatal. Don't forget that the best job in the world is a total failure if it's too late.